All right, so a lot of us probably heard what gratitude means already in our personal lives. We probably all have someone that we're thankful for, or some event, maybe our health, maybe it's a person or a place or a thing that we're thankful for. So today we're just going to talk about how gratitude and having an attitude of gratitude actually has an impact on the chemicals released in our brain. So gratitude is expressing appreciation or being thankful. And gratitude has a very unique impact on the brain. So there's this little video. I'm going to play it, but then if you're watching this and you just need to go to the Google Classroom and watch it directly, that's fine as well. Oh, it's quiet. Hold up. Let me turn it up a little bit. Let's try it now. It's very quiet. I don't like it. Okay, well, let me see if I can move this thing over. There we go.
Expressing appreciation for being thankful can measurably improve your overall well-being. For example, studies prove that gratitude can increase happiness, reduce depression, and strengthen resilience. Grateful people often experience reduced blood pressure, less chronic pain, increased energy, even longer nights. People who purposefully express more gratitude report higher self-esteem than those who don't, and they're more likely to help others. Approach social behavior also leads to greater happiness. People who capture grateful thoughts before bed sleep better than those who don't. Why so many positive changes? Because gratitude actually rewires our brains, kickstarting the production of dopamine and serotonin. Like antidepressants, these feel-good neurotransmitters activate the bliss center in the brain, creating feelings of happiness and contentment. This appears to be self-perpetuating. Research suggests that with regular practice, we train your prefrontal cortex to better appreciate and retain positive experiences and thoughts, and to deflect negative ones. Here are a few simple ways to deliberately cultivate that attitude of gratitude. Celebrate your accomplishments. Think about what you have rather than dwelling on what you don't. Tell the people something you appreciate about. Tell yourself too. Hold the door for a stranger, simply smile, and you'll probably feel better. It's kindness and giving that contribute to gratitude. Simple positive gratitude can get from recognition and mindfulness. Gratitude using old-fashioned Google or RTM. The science is known. Your gratitude for gratitude.
Cool elephant. Very cool. I know it's a good video. I'm glad you saw it. I'm glad you stuck around to see it. That's awesome. Well, pretty much what he said. Gratitude increases our happiness, reduces depression. The same chemicals that are released or helpful from an antidepressant are actually released in the brain if we have gratitude. Isn't that cool? Serotonin and dopamine, guys. Yeah, pretty cool. So it can make us a more positive person, more better at overcoming challenges, helps our self-esteem, increases happiness, all that good stuff. So next time you're feeling like you're down on yourself, remember gratitude. Remember everything that you are grateful for. Yeah. And it allows us to train our prefrontal cortex, our front of our brain, to deflect those negative thought patterns. It's also very helpful. Are you okay? Oh, gotcha. You're good. You can hang out for the rest of my PowerPoint, or if you have to peace out, I understand. I respect it. Your ride's here? Awesome. Well, safe travels and enjoy the rest of your day.
See you Monday.
All right, I'll see you Monday. So how does one cultivate an attitude of gratitude, you may ask? Well, that's a good question. Celebrating their accomplishments and the accomplishments of other people, thinking about what we have rather than focusing on what we don't. Telling people that we appreciate them, that's good. Doing favors for others, even just smiling more can start to activate those chemicals in the brain that help create happiness. If we're kind and giving to one another, meditation is also helpful, like we do in class sometimes. Being mindful and keeping a daily gratitude journal can all be ways to cultivate an attitude of gratitude. So here is a video, and I know we don't have a ton of time today. And I know some of us are working on some makeup work, but this is a video that is a good one to watch on your own that goes over how effective gratitude is in releasing those happiness chemicals in the brain. So this scientist has these people call someone they're thankful for, and then it shows their reactions. If we get time, I'll show this one later on in class. And if you're watching the video about gratitude, you can also go back in the Google Classroom and play this video later on. So for our gratitude lesson, what I'm going to have you guys work on, since we have a little bit shortened schedule today, is the gratitude letter. So on the schedule, it shows what you want to work on and the activities. Depending on the day and whatever term you're taking this class, you may end up doing more or less. For today, I'm going to have you guys start with this gratitude letter. So you can do this electronically, or you can do it on a piece of paper. So I'm going to have you guys write a letter to someone who has impacted you. Who knows, maybe it's even yourself and you're thankful for things you've overcome. So if you really liked writing that letter to yourself on day 7, maybe you write another letter to yourself today. But if there's someone in your life you really want to express gratitude for, that maybe you don't think knows their value or their worth, today would be a great opportunity to do that. If you get time, there is a gratitude Google form and journal to work on. Depending on the term that you're watching this little video, you may be doing those assignments. And just let me know if you have any questions.